said 7 kick swivel, ayy, kick swivel, ayy, kick swivel, ayy, kick, ha 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 ha, ayy, kick swivel, ayy, kick swivel, ayy, kick, ha 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 ha. I'm sorry, y'all. It's Halloween, so I wanted to be a little creepy, but I guess it didn't work. So let's just go ahead and jump right into this video. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to this channel where you will key until you're weak. Woo weak. Alright, y'all already know it's Halloween season, so you know I was sitting here, I was like, dang, what I'm gonna be for Halloween? It's already 2 weeks until Halloween. I don't even know what I'm gonna be. Guess what, y'all? So I decided to be a doppelganger from us. It's Halloween. So you know, with that being said, my stuff just came in today, my whole costume, so I'm gonna do a whole unboxing video for y'all. I kinda already opened it because I'm terrible with unboxing. But we gonna go ahead and reopen and rebox all this stuff. Daggone spitting bacteria. Alright, y'all, let's jump right into this video. Well, I'm sitting down, so let's sit into this video. Yee. Alright, y'all, you already know I had to grab my scissors. Okay, so I kind of already opened this, but we're just going to open it again, and let's see what we got going on. I haven't opened anything yet, so that's the good part. So these going to be the gloves, right? You know how in us, how Lupita Nyong'o, she had them gloves. I don't know how to pronounce her name, but I love her. I just don't know how to pronounce her name. But these are the gloves, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut the fingers off because her gloves was obviously open. So I'll cut that after I end this video because I need to make sure I cut it right because I'm already clumsy. So if I'm trying to cut symmetrical and I'm unbalanced already in my life, how that's going to go together, that's sad. But we're gonna get it together. But that's the gloves, y'all. See what we're talking about here. Let me cover the little M because this ain't sponsored by this person. I just ordered from this person. So yeah, that's the glove. Move! Alright. So here's the best part. I kind of already opened this too, so we're just going to just go ahead and just... Dang, I need to start lifting weights. Weakness. Okay. Alright, so here we go. So we got... These are not 100% the gold scissors that I wanted. If I would have went ahead and ordered my scissors early, I could have had the all gold scissors. But it said it's going to be here between October 28th and November 5th. Halloween over by that daggone time. Golly. Lord. Jesus. Gosh. Can't even be productive. Lord. Jet lag. Alright. But these the gloves right here. They're pretty much all gold at the bottom, so it kind of counts. And it'll be kind of good. I could... Don't touch my lunch money. I'll chop your fingers off. So that's the glove. Now here's the best part. Wait a second. That's a surprise. Y'all, when this was ordered, we ordered just the actual jumpsuit. It came with the scissors and the gloves already. Oh my gosh! I'ma cry! That was unexpected! Lord! God! You were listening to me! Alright, y'all. Who I got little tears in my eyes. Can you see them? Oh, I'll wipe them away. move. Y'all, I'm speechless. So, this is by surprise, as you can see. I did not know that they was gonna have the gloves and the scissors already with the costume. See, they already knew. Y'all, this was not planned either. This was not planned. That is crazy. Y'all, I'm so in shock. So y'all know what I'm about to do. I'm about to try on this costume for y'all. I'm not gonna hold y'all any longer. I hope y'all been laughing and throughout the whole video. So if you are, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe. Join the family, you know what I'm saying? Because we like to cut up over here without scissors. Alright. So that being said, I'm about to try on this costume and I will be back with y'all in a jiffy. Alright, bye. Creep on in, on in, on in. Yo, how long? How long? Dang, I can't even be great. Creep on in, on in, on in. My name is Ty Gibson. I'm 19 years old. I am American, living in America. I make comedy videos every single day using a lot of brain juice. I love doing comedy. I also love to eat fried chicken. Ooh, I spit. I am 6'3" tall, so you can try me if you want to. Half of y'all, I lost my train of thought. I swallowed. Look, I got gas. I like to fart to release myself. Oh, my neck popped. I will be seeing you somewhere this Halloween. So be on the lookout for me. My voice is trying to disappear. I'm sorry. I caught that a little funny. Ooh, I'ma go back to where I came from. Alrighty. Ooh, 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 ooh. Ooh, I got 5 on it. We don't want it. I got 5 on it. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope you enjoy this video. Make sure to tell your friends and family and your bald-headed chicken nuggets to subscribe. I love you guys. Like Ty always say, cause I am his doppelganger. Always remember to dream big, dream strong, and dream always because nobody can dream a bigger dream than your dream because it is your dream. I will see you next time. Make sure to subscribe. 5, 6, 7, kick, swivel, kick, swivel, kick, kick, swivel, kick, swivel,